Hello viewers, let's learn how to solve nice exponential equation. It's asked to find the value of x here. Then the next thing to do, we are going to factorize at x. We have x, it will be 1 plus 1 into 80. This is the next step. We have x multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 80. Now we divide both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2. Here will be 8x is equals to 40. Then you take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. You will have log 8x is equals to log 40. Also log 40. There is one property we are going to use here, which says if you have log m s power phi is equals to phi log m. When I use this here will be x log 8 is equals to log 40. Also we can break down into addition, since the property of multiplication law. We can break down into 8 times 5. This is 8 times 5. The dot is served as the multiplication. Then careful step, we move further by saying we're gonna divide both sides by log 8. We divide both sides by log 8 in this step so that have the unknown in the one side. Let's have log 8. Here we have log 8 also. When we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, this will go, this will be 1, this will be x plus 1 is equals to log 8 times 5 all over log 8. Then lastly, you'll have something like, since the x here is only 1, then we can leave it as x here. Here we have x is equals to, here we can separate the log as log 8 plus log 5 all over log 8 based on the property of addition, multiplication law. Then again we can separate the log. By separating the log, we have x is equals to log 8 all over 8 all over log 8 plus log 5 all over log 8. That is, in this place we have x is equals to 1 plus log 5 all over log 8. Therefore, in this place, in this stage, you can just apply the rules of exponential here. Also, you can interchange this x into 1 plus log 5 all over log 8. Log 8, if you break down, it will be 2 over 3. Using the property of log, we're going to apply this property again here. Then we have x. Then we can also have x is equals to, we check this one all over 3 into log 5 all over log 2, log 5 all over log 2. Then we can clean and continue. Then we can continue there by saying we have 1 all over 3 log 1 all over 3 log 5 all over log 2. We have x equals to 1 plus 1 over 3 log 5 all over log 2. Then we can use the property which says if you have log a all over log b, this can be written as log ab. Also, we can change this one into that form where we have x is equals to, we interchange this, we have 1 plus 1 over 3 log 1 plus 1 all over 3 log 5 log base 2 log 5 base 2. Then we have x is equals to, by simplifying the LCM, here we'll have 3 into 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. Then that's the answer of the log. If you wish, you can check for the value of x, whether it is confirmed that the value of x is equals to 3 plus log 5 2 all over 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.